Hello, my good people. I've been receiving questions about this app, Mpesa Exchange, and you can get it on Play Store, Google Play Store. When you open Google Play Store, you type Mpesa app, you come to search, you type Mpesa app, the first one here. Click here, it will give you many options. You can see I've already installed the app. So you select with the one which has Mpesa Exchange. E meaning electronic. So you click on it. Then for my case, I've already installed it. So I'll just open it. But for you, you have to install it. So after installation, you can open it. So if you check on about it or what's new, fixed camera upload, that is what has been updated. So about this app, it is Africa most trusted, fastest and reliable e-currency exchange from binary.com. That's the company, the Deriv X. So you can exchange your Kenya shillings to dollars through Mpesa Skrill net seller, Bitcoin instantly. So those who are asking how long does it take, it is instant. Let's say 2 to 3 minutes. 2 to 3 minutes arrange. So Mpesa Exchange has been in the e-currency market since 2014. So this app has been on use since 2014. Over the years, we have worked relentlessly to build our reputation for being fast, reliable, and safer to deal with. So it has been rated 3. So this is information from Google, how Google Play uses ratings. So we have the app information. It was up. My last update was Feb 28th, 2020. It was updated February 2020. That is on 28th. It has over 10,000 downloads. It requires you to have an Android operating system of 4.0 and up. So 4.5 up to 5 offered by BH Enterprises. That is a company. It was released on February 2020. App permissions. So you can see you have permissions for this app on your phone, my phone device. So that is a brief overview of the Mpesa app. So if you go to reviews, you can see it is 3.6, and you can get the positive. Now you can read the comments from the ratings. So like the Google user here, I said I was looking for an application I could use on deposit and withdraw to, and from Skrill and Netella, and of course at a lower rate. This proved to be an ideal innovation, and also congratulate them for their fast and convenient services. Keep it up. So that is a comment. So if you go to reviews, you can see people have reviewed 100%. I was looking for, I've read that one, and there was someone who had a complaint. Then he said that I had to forward my Mpesa messenger and my registration number, and it was done. The money was deposited in my binary account in a few minutes. So if you have a challenge on it, they have a contact name. they have a contact number and email address, which is a Gmail account, which is very helpful for those who have Gmail accounts. It's very fast. So someone is said is fake. I meant transaction never completed. Having a hard time registering. I spent 1 hour trying to register, saying that I rate it 1. Easy to use. The app is 4-star. So I think those who are giving negative responses, it depends on the devices they are using. If it is below 4.0 Android, you're gonna experience that challenge. So we have Kinudia here, a very fast and efficient time Skrill deposit and withdrawal engine. Yeah. So all time Skrill deposit and withdrawal engine. You can see he rated 5-star. The app is not working. I can't register. So for these reviews, if you check them, most of them are positive. You can see 5 ratings, 5, a very reliable app. I no longer see the Nestle and Skrill option. What is happening? So I've said it depends on your device and how the knowledge of understanding your device and the connectivity of the software of the application. A very good app indeed. I like using it. Why did you remove Skrill and net return it to your most source in Kenya? So most efficient way to credit your binary account anytime anywhere in Kenya. So best app exchange for crypto to Mpesa. I've said you check this one, the reviews, most of them are positive. A great app. Go invest. So that's what I wanted to show you. They have given their email there. So you go to their review pages. You can have Mpesa exchange, so you can have a better screen teller, and also you can have a Bitcoin harvester. So I had explained it previously. So Mpesa exchange, you can withdraw from binary and deposit on binary. I will be doing a deposit in the next video, and you will see how fast it reflects. You can also withdraw from Skrill, and you can also deposit to Skrill. Withdraw from Neteller. You can also withdraw from Neteller and deposit on Neteller. You can sell Bitcoin, but I said for you to sell Bitcoin, it requires you to install an application known as Bitcoin Harvester, but that one is not our interest for that case. So if I click open the app, we have installed. You just provide your number, and you log. For the first time use, you have to register. You require to full names, email, phone number, ID number, then you give a password, then you confirm your password. Then after that you register. So if you have any problems, please call that number, this number given here. So you call that number if you have any challenge. I'm not an agent of a E-Mpesa exchange app, so I'm not saying the app is 100% effective, but I've proven the use of it because I've ever deposited to by binary account using the application. So for my case, I log in. So login. So you can see I can deposit to binary, and then I can also withdraw. So if you go to that main, if you go to main, you can see my transactions. and you click my transaction. So you can see binary deposit for those days. So I deposited these ones to my real account. So these ones are my deposits. So these are proof that the app works. So you have more questions on that, how to download it. You get it on your Play Store. So download it and try to deposit. If you have already created your binary account, I said it's very easy. You can use your Google account to sign up. So those were my transactions. Support. So you can contact them. The phone number is there, given 0701 blah blah, and also their email mpesakenya@gmail.com. I'm not an agent. I repeat, I'm not an agent for this application. So in case you have done your transaction and has not been completed, please do what? Contact them there. So if you want to maybe if you want to maybe withdraw, you can add maybe you withdraw like $10. They are saying receive 1143. If you click withdraw, you can see this option here. From binary, go to cashier payment. So these are the instructions you have to follow for you to complete the transaction of withdrawal. So for those who are asking for withdrawal, this is very easy. Go to cashier in payment on binary.com, then you go to payment agent, you click withdraw, then they have to send you to a withdraw verification link, which will be sent to your email. So you click on the link and fill the questionnaire. The payment agent selects E-Mpesa, then a payment agent ID, you leave it blank, enter the amount you want to withdraw. It's very easy, and it will take you like less minutes, like the transactions of Mpesa, or a delay maybe of 3 to 5 minutes. So withdrawal is very sensitive, so they have to get some information from you and verify it is you, the original trader, who is withdrawing the money. So those are the instructions. So the funds will be sent to your Mpesa number, for example my number there. So to initiate a withdrawal, you have to go to your binary.com account, then go to cashier, payment agent, then click withdraw, then you wait for email. So the email will have a small questionnaire where you have to fill your details. Then they are saying for the agent you have to select Mpesa, and then payment ID you have to leave it blank, then amount. It's very easy, very easy. So thank you for watching this video. If you get something helpful, leave a like, and then the main thing here is understanding how this app works. So subscribe. I urge you to subscribe to support me as I continue to bring you more videos or more tutorials. So get more education on this. Also, I have a book of Deriv, a PDF. So if you have to learn how to trade, also I can share with you the Deriv slides, some of the slides on how to do your real trades on binary or Deriv X. The book illustrates how to do different trades. They have a variety of trading options. That's why I like the binary or the Deriv. So subscribe and leave a comment if you have any questions. and I'll get in touch with you. Thank you for watching, and subscribe.